If you are looking to buy a smartwatch, Fossil is one of the best brands to choose from. There are several factors to consider if you want to buy a Fossil smartwatch, including smooth mobile connectivity, tech-forward solutions, and long battery life, etc. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top best and latest Fossil's smartwatches so that you can easily choose from. If you want more information or want to buy any of them, be sure to check links given in the description below. Okay, now let's start the video without any delay. On top of the list is Fossil Gen 6. This is the best Fossil smartwatch and one of the best Wear OS watches available. If you are looking for a fitness watch that provides data tracking as well as outstanding features, this is the perfect choice for you. It is the first Fossil smartwatch that features the faster Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus with support for 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. It monitors heart rate and SpO2. It is the best feature of this watch that you are able to customize it easily with the help of different personalization options. It comes in several styles that all have the same design. It has a 44mm round casing with a 1.28-inch AMOLED display. It comes preloaded with several apps, and some of these include Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Google Fit, Nike Run Club, Nutum Light, Outdoor Active, Smart Battery Modes, Spotify, and many others. It's also easy to read text messages, notifications, and emails. In addition, this is quite comfortable to wear throughout the day. So that's another plus point. On the sensor side, Fossil adds an SpO2 sensor to track blood oxygen levels, as well as an upgraded heart rate sensor for periodic tracking. The battery life is a little weakness in the smartwatch, meaning you'll need to recharge it before the end of the day. If you want a top smartwatch compatible with both iOS and Android phones, the Fossil Gen 6 is top of the line and offers its full set of features to all iOS and Android phones. Number 2 on the list is Fossil Gen 5. It is the best Wear OS 2 watch available on the market. It performs well in almost every area: performance, aesthetics, and customization. It runs the Snapdragon 3100 with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. There are a few features you won't find on other devices of its era, including custom battery modes, lots of RAM, and even built-in speakers. A 1.28-inch AMOLED display, similar to previous Fossil watches, makes it extremely bright and large. In addition to NFC support for Google Pay contactless payments, it is also equipped with GPS and an optical heart rate sensor, featuring an altimeter, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a 3 ATM water resistance rating. The Fossil Gen 5 is one of the best Wear OS watches around. You'll enjoy the decent battery life and plenty of features. In addition to counting your steps, movement minutes, and heart points, it also monitors your heart rate from time to time. It also provides instructions on how to de-stress through breathing exercises. Choosing the Fossil Gen 5 is a good option if you are looking at a stylish smartwatch that does not follow the crowd and can replace your digital or analog timepiece. And number 3, Fossil Men's Gen 5e. This is an excellent smartwatch if you are always on the go and require a continuous cellular connection. You can receive calls and messages from your wrist without a mobile phone. One disadvantage is that Verizon is the only place where it's available. This feature is only available in the USA and works only with Android phones. However, for a Fossil smartwatch, it's a decent deal. It's almost the same as the Fossil Gen 5 watch. With customizable battery settings, a nice style, and fitness watch capabilities like GPS and heart rate monitoring, it makes a great fitness watch. In addition to its good looks, it has a 1.19-inch AMOLED circular touchscreen with slim bezels on a 44mm stainless steel case with a metal strap. Available in two size options, 44mm and 42mm, along with several strap variants. It is powered by a Snapdragon Wear 3100 SoC with 1GB RAM and 4GB of internal storage. It can track activity goals, steps, sleep, heart rate, cardio levels, and more with Google Fit. Additionally, it supports contactless payments through Google Pay and comes with a speaker and microphone for answering calls directly. With a water resistance of up to 30 meters, it can easily handle regular splashes or even rain. The Fossil Gen 5 is easily the best Wear OS watch available on the market. Lastly, we have Fossil Men's Hybrid HR Collider. You can instantly view all your important data on this watch, including your daily steps, the weather, and smartphone alerts. However, it doesn't provide in-depth data like many other smartwatches, aside from activity and sleep tracking. If you purchase a hybrid smartwatch, you will also be giving up the ability to store music and GPS information. The Fossil Hybrid HR is powered by Fossil's own software stack, instead of Google Wear OS. In terms of water resistance, it has a 3 ATM rating, which means it is splash-proof but is not suitable for swimming or showering. The heart rate monitor lets you take measurements and also measures heart rate while you sleep. You can also use it when you're exercising, and it works pretty well. Its battery lasts around 9 to 10 days with the heart rate monitor tracking sleep every night. This is a hybrid smartwatch, not a full-blown smartwatch, so it doesn't have NFC payments. Overall, the Fossil Hybrid HR offers a wealth of features that makes it the perfect smartwatch for the modern world. Alright guys, that's all for now. Links to the best prices on all of the items you've seen in this video are in the description below. If you like this video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.